Namhlanje mina ngiqonda uma ngolusuku ebendilibeke libanza uDeworma igusha. Ukole egusha inkunzi egusha ithanda ukungqoba abantu. Unini hle nje funa kuyinyeke uyijonge. Hlalani nami ke ndizama uziDeworma ndizibamba ijonge. Nazo isizathu sokufuna ukuyoyika. Nanga amanye amayeza siwasebenzisayo.
It's a lot of back work then.
Asebenzisa funa ukuphakamisa ube leli cala leli silifaka emlonyeni kweze kuyofika emva emlonyeni wegusha. Ikwazi ukuginya ngokona ngo.
So we were able to capture them, and then with the green spray we mark them. Ones that are done, because you can't tell a sheep from another sheep. Sheep look the same.
Kunzima kanyana ubona igusha ngoba ziyafana. Uzuthathe esa spray usifake. Uyazi ke ngozakwazi uyibona.
That's how I deworm and protect the sheep from some of the parasites.
Uyazazi isiceba kwawo.